Alright. I still got some to do. I just wanted to record this because, like, bro, this is crazy. Alright. Let's start with the legendary crate. So let's go. Bro, I have not opened one of these in so long. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bro! I have enough. Oh my god, bro. Dude, that's a lot. I'm pretty sure I got the Primal Instinct here. It just doesn't work for some reason. Okay, let me just close it out. I don't know what that is, but we still got the freaking black crate, bro. Oh my god. Not right now. Hold on, not right now. Bro, hold on. Jeez. Alright. Ooh. Alright, now let's do that. Wait. Did I get something for that? Level. I already have. Oh my god, I got the Primal Instinct. Every time he shoots. Let's go, bro. I think that's like. I don't know how I have not got freaking Callie or Buddy. I don't even know clue. Alright. First, wait, read what the black crate is. Get that. So the black crate. 30% chance of a new character. Come on, bro. Can we do it? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Oh my god. I have not seen this freaking crate in so long, bro. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, bro. Oh! Let's go! I got Vampire Teeth! What? No character? Bro, are you serious? Alright, whatever.